Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another skating video. In this video I'm just going to share some tips which can help your axels and waltz jumps. But before we get into the video, I just want to make a quick comment and shout out about our headband shop where my mom makes the headbands and I do the promotion. These are great for skating or for the winter. They stay on really nicely when you practice. We like to make the headbands with crystals, where we can use tiger eye, rose quartz, or whatever you'd like. We make them also with skating charms for the skating girlies and for whatever age, infants, children, and adults. So come check us out at Healing Handmaids on Instagram. So right into the video, I just want to discuss a little bit about how we go into that back edge before our axel or waltz jump. You don't want to have the hips sticking out or the bum sticking out. We want to have our hips under, so kind of think about ribs and hips or ribs and pelvis connection. This is just going to help us to get nicely into that forward outside edge when we step forward. So really think about your alignment before you even step forward. It's really important for a nice stable waltz jump or axel. And it will also help us to stay on that outside edge nicely without coming onto an inside or a flat edge. Next thing I want to talk about are our arms before we go into that forward outside edge. So here you can see in the back outside edge, I just have my arms already back before I even step forward. And that is not correct because we lose so much momentum. So we want to bring our arms forward in our back outside edge before we step forward into that forward outside edge. So here you can see I'm bringing my arms forward and then I'm stepping forward and then they quickly go back. This is really important, like I said, to create momentum into the jump and kind of like a rubber band effect. This we need because we don't have a 3-turn before we go into the axel or waltz jump like we would for the toe loop. So it's really important to bring them forward before you step forward and then swing them back. Next thing I want to talk about is not using your arms and your whole body to propel you into the air. So here you can see this jump is kind of flat. And what we want to do is we don't want to just only jump into the air with our legs. We want to use our whole body to kind of allow us to hang in the air for a quick moment. So we need that for the axel, which is going to need a lot more power than a waltz jump. So this is really important that you use this tip for your waltz jump so that you can then use it later for your axel. So use your whole body because it's not just your legs that are doing the whole work. It's a lot of it, but your arms also need to help, your body needs to help. So it's all one unit kind of thing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helps you with your axels and waltz jumps, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!